If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SOP video update. I think you know what, I just ended up buying a little bit for the long-term SOP now at this price level, because SOP, I think it's finally the time to say that this could be the end of the downtrend for SOP. Finger crossed, okay? Finger crossed. There was this channel that I'm looking forward to, and I still remember when I talked about a technical target which was actually down to 0.00059. Actually, there are signs that we're not interested to go down there, because there are many technical factors I'm looking at for SOP, and the SOP tells me that we could potentially start to move to the upside. So for me, I just bought a little bit. I'm not like a very big fan of SOP, but I just bought a little bit here, so very, very small portion. Like, I don't even mind losing that. So because I think there are many other good projects out there. If you want to invest in something in this bear market, I cannot the only people that know which one that I've been buying is actually the private people, and it's not like a promotion to tell you the private channel, but that's where I've been doing my research and telling people that hey, this coin, we're gonna get this one. But anyways, now back to SOP. We have this channel down, and we start all the way back at July 2021, and from here you can already see that this was resistance number 1, number 2, resistance number 3 here, number 4 right there, and number 5, and now finally this is where you have clearly, for the very, very first time in maybe 1.5 years, you made the perfect break, and you have broken the downtrend in its perfection right now. So Bitcoin is looking to move up to 23,000. Watch the Bitcoin video, and this is where we're going to understand about SOP as well. So as far as I'm concerned, I think we have the EMAs and the bull cross as well. So this is a very good, amazing sign for SOP right now. You could actually start to move higher. Now the lowest you can retrace down to is again to this 265. You can actually backtest 265 because you didn't do that, and you are on a technical target to go from the top to the bottom right there, and we could actually see SOP moving up to 358 right over there. So that's pretty much it for this quick update on SOP. Best of luck. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.